Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete your TapTap Send account. First, open the TapTap Send app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in to the account that you want to delete. After the app opens, go to the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the three lines menu icon to open the main menu. Once the menu appears, look through the options and tap on the button that says Support. This will open the Help and Support section of the app. On the support page, scroll down until you reach the bottom of the screen. There you will find an option called Contact Us. Tap on Contact Us to continue. After that, you will see different ways to contact the support team. Select the email option. This will open a form where you can send a message to the support team. Now you need to write your request. In the message box, type a clear request explaining that you want to delete your TapTap Send account. You can include basic details, such as the phone number or email connected to your account so the support team can identify it. Once you finish writing your request, tap on the Submit button to send your request to the support team. The support team will review your request. After they approve it, your account will be removed and you will no longer be able to access it. Thanks for watching.